Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill we just had done for a customer. This is a top piece. It's a 6 top, 925 sterling silver. Here's the back side. Snaps right onto the customer's teeth. Now this one has the 925, of course, 925 sterling silver with the diamond dust finish. Has the white border around it. What I mean by that is you see that around each tooth there's no diamond dust, so we leave that like a plain border. Gives it a nice contrast with the dazzling diamond dust finish right there, guys. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out. Also check the link in the description. Takes you right to the product listing. Beautiful grills, guys. This is real silver, 92.5% silver, 92.5. So it's a beautiful set, right, guys? Top piece. You can do a bottom if you want. Do the whole set, top and bottom, or just the top or the bottom. It's all up to you guys. Check it out. I'm just talking. Thanks for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.